So if you've clicked this video, it means that you're planning to buy a drone, but you're not sure which drone to get. Well, in this video, I'm going to cover 5 questions that you need to ask yourselves so that you will know exactly what you want in a drone. Alright, so when answering these questions, be as specific as you can. This will help you narrow down as much as possible to what are the main features that you really want. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you guys one of the latest drones that you don't even need a controller to fly. So let's start with the first question. What is the purpose of you buying this drone? So there are many reasons why people will buy a drone. Now, it can go from recreational use, just for fun, just slight videography, photography, or it may be like a full-on filmmaking for YouTubing, for 4K drone footage. Depends on what your purpose is. There's also another category called FPV, first person view. So FPV drones are the ones where you have to wear goggles and you're fully immersed in it and you can fly the drones into a building and all over everywhere. The signal strength is all very good. So there's so many purposes of the drone. So ask yourself, what is it? Question number 2, what's your budget? I know many of you will not know what the prices of drones are. Well, drones have a price range from about 300 ringgit all the way up to about 5,000 ringgit. And these are the commercial ones for home use. And I'm not talking about the extreme filmmaking ones. Those are like tens of thousands. This is maximum up to 5,000. Now for 5,000, you can get the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly Mode combo, the full set, and that drone has everything you would need for filmmaking, for YouTubing, for high-end videography, high-end photography, everything you can do with that drone. If you are not interested in that, you want something a bit cheaper, you can go for the Mini SE. So the DJI Mini SE is about 1,300 ringgit for a brand new one. You can look for second-hand versions and it goes for maybe about 5 to 800 ringgit. You can find it on Carousel or mudah.my. So you can buy those cheaper drones, second-hand drones, learn the rules of flying and what it takes to fly. Make sure you can use the controls, you're comfortable with it, know what you like, what you don't like, and then upgrade to a better drone in the future. Because that's what I did. I started with my Mini SE and I moved on to my DJI Mini 4 Pro. And my biggest and best buy is this. The controller with the built-in screen. Controller with the built-in screen is a game changer. And once you fly a drone, then you will know what I mean. Because having to use your phone inside is just a big hassle. When somebody calls you halfway flying and you're like, hello? It's a hassle. You don't want it. Next question is, how important is the camera quality? Now, if you are going for high-end filmmaking, you are posting YouTube videos, you are doing this for your job, you run a business where you need like high-end cameras, then go for something high-end like the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 4 Pro, DJI Air, the Mavic. These are all high-end drones and these drones cost upwards of 3,000 ringgit. All of the software features are all inside. So on the higher-end drones like the Mini 3 Pro onwards, they are basically fully equipped. So you don't have to worry about those. So if your price range is about 1,000 ringgit and below, then you can look at other things besides DJI, such as these kind of brands. So these brands don't have many features, but they have the basic ones that you can use to start flying. Start your drone journey first, have a feel on what it takes to fly the drone. This will give you an idea of how easy or difficult it is to fly your drone. So if you talk about camera quality, other features are 4K resolution, gimbal stabilization, adjustable aperture. To most people, these features are very important. So like if you're more focused on flying rather than filming, then the camera specs is not important. Question number 4, what is your experience level? Okay, so I understand that question may seem redundant. If you're watching this video, it means you've never flown a drone. However, if you buy the controller, any drone controller, I think DJI as well sells it, you can download the DJI simulator app or any other drone app and you can start practice flying in the simulator and it's very accurate. So a lot of people don't go for the high-end drone is because they're afraid they might crash it and break it. Practice first on the PC or on your PS4 or PS5 and then try it in real life in the store. DJI store allows you to like fly it for a bit, get the controls, get the idea. So your experience level of course matters, but if you don't have any experience, the high-end drones are foolproof. You just press the button and it flies itself. So if you have a bit of extra budget and you don't want to crash your drone, you can just buy the Mini 4 Pro, which is really good. Even a beginner can fly it. it's really simple to fly because all you have to do is just turn on all the safety sensors, all the safety avoidance, obstacle avoidance, and it will fly itself. Just set it up once and it's good to go. Okay, question number 5. Are you aware of the legal requirements? Flying a drone in Malaysia or anywhere else around the world, there is a standard. If your drone weighs less than 250 grams, then there's no issue. If your drone weighs more than 250 grams, you would need an official license by the government itself, and you will have to register the drone with the government. Drones that are above 250 grams are usually above 5,000 ringgit. So if you're going for fun, for your hobby, for YouTube or anything, you can actually buy a drone that's below 5,000. Like my Mini 4 Pro, I got it with the Fly More combo, with the extra batteries as well, and I also took the game-changing remote. So yeah, this cost me about 4,300, 4,800. This is just additional tips. Do not fly near the airport. If you go into the DJI app, it will show you where are the no-fly zone. Even if you are flying in the no-fly zone, it will give you a warning stating that you are near an airport or in a no-fly zone. So you have here, we have the Sepang, and we also have in Subang. So please be aware of this. Don't simply fly your drone everywhere. Another thing to note is most of these drones, these 250 grams and below, they have a max height of about 400 meters. That's about 1,200 feet. 400 meters is also quite high, about KLCC height. Alright guys, so this is the drone that you don't need a controller to fly. This is the latest drone by DJI. It's called DJI Neo. Take a look. Alright guys, what do you think about the drone? If I'm not mistaken, it starts at about 200 USD, so which is about 900 ringgit in Malaysia. I think you can start to pre-order it right now. I'll put the link in the description below. You guys can have a look. I am not sponsored by DJI. All of these drones, I bought it with my own money. This is a good drone that I just want to recommend to people. The reason I went for DJI because it already has a name for itself with its quality. So having that is quite important to me. Alright, so I hope you guys have answered all these questions as specific as you can, and do let me know down in the comments which drone do you guys think is right for you. If you guys are interested in my review of the real world usage of the DJI Mini 4 Pro, do let me know in the comments below. I will make a review. I'll tell you exactly what the other guys are not telling you about. I haven't tried other brands yet, so I'm not so sure if it's a good fit. But based on reviews, a lot of them say it's good, it's okay, it works. So yeah, you guys can maybe check it out. Check out the reviews on it. But these are my 5 questions that I think is very important that you guys ask yourself, because sometimes you might buy the wrong item or you might spend a bit too much for a feature that you don't need. For a beginner, I don't think you guys should go any higher than a Mini 4 Pro, because the Mini 4 Pro is so capable of doing so many things that it's sufficient for even filmmaking. Like check out this video here where I shot this on just the Mini 4 Pro in one day where it didn't have any sun. Look at the footage here. So you can check out the video here and check out my other videos. I do real estate tips, drones, and some tech reviews once in a while. So do check out my other videos, and if you like it, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.